Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to download Microsoft Math Solver app in your device. You can use your Play Store or App Store to download this app in your device. For the iOS device, you can use your App Store, and for Android, you can use your Play Store. As I am using iOS device here, I will be using App Store to download this app in my device. Also make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your App Store or Play Store. Here I go. At the top you can see that search bar. Type there Microsoft Math Solver. Tap on search. As it appears at the right corner, you can see that arrow showing downwards. Tap on that. Now after waiting for a few seconds, it will be downloaded in your device and you can easily open this app and use it. This is very easy and simple process. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.